Hello everyone, Namaste. I am Munna Kahar, teacher of Joint School Family, and I am continuing your class 8 math subject. Okay, so in our previous class we are continuing our percentage chapter. Okay, exercise 5C. Okay, so today we are continuing the same exercise. Okay, so in our previous class we have done up to question number 7. Okay, so let's start our question number 8 now. So I am going to do now question number 8. Your page number 195, okay, from your textbook. So the question is, express 90 paisa as percent of ₹6. Okay, so what is the question here? We need to express 90 paisa as percentage of ₹6. Okay, so it simply means, okay, what percent of ₹6, okay, is 90 paisa? How much percent is that? Okay, so for that we need to make a fraction. Okay, so 90 paisa upon ₹6, we have made a fraction. But one thing what we have to consider here, okay, if numerator is in paisa and denominator is in rupees, they must be in same unit, either rupees or paisa. That is your choice, anyone you change. So what I will do, I will change this 6 rupees into paisa. Okay, so 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa. Okay, so 6 rupees is equal to 600 paisa. So paisa and paisa will be cancelled. Okay, so to express in percentage, what we need to do is just we need to multiply by 100%. Okay, we have made a fraction. Okay, and to change this fraction into percentage, what we need to do is just we need to multiply by 100%. But the things you should consider, okay, be careful, is it is in paisa and denominator is in rupees. They must be in same unit. Okay, so I made them, this both are in paisa now, paisa. Okay, this is also in paisa, so paisa will be cancelled. Okay, so I did not write here. Okay, so now let's do cancellation and we'll get our answer. So 2 zeros I will cut with 100. Okay, so now how much? 3 2s are 3, 30s are 2 1s are 2 15s are. Directly also you can cut, or you just divide and write, that is your 15%. Okay, so express 90 paisa as percentage of ₹6 is your answer is 15%. Okay, so 15% of ₹6, 15% of ₹6 is actually your 90 paisa. Okay, so I hope this question is clear for you. Now let's see another question. Our next question I am doing from now 9 number. Okay, that is your next question is from your 9 number. I am doing one question, okay, for you. What percent of 2 is 0.5? Okay, what percent of 2, okay, what percent of 2 is 0.5? So we don't know what percent. Okay, so what we'll suppose and let x percent of 2 is 0.5. okay, let x percent of 2 is 0.5. so mathematically this can be written as x percent, okay, x percent of 2 is equal to 0.5. okay, it may be not clear. Okay, so we have supposed here x percent of 2, x percent of 2 is 0.5. so meaning of x percent is your x upon 100. okay, of means into 2 is equal to 0.5. okay, so you can do cancellation here, or you can transfer to right hand side also. So 0.5 here, 100 is dividing, it will go right hand side, it will multiply, and 2 is in the numerator, it is multiplying, it will go to right hand side, it will divide. Okay, 100 is dividing, I will change. Why I am not cancelling? Because it is in decimal. If you transfer this 100 there, okay, you can shift the decimal easily and you can do. Okay, you can divide easily. So how much we got? X is equal to 50 upon 2, that is your x is equal to 25. So What percent of 2 is 0.5? That is your 25% of 2 is 0.5. It's very simple. Okay, I hope you all have understood. Okay, so let me do some more questions for you. Okay, so another question is now from 10 number 10A. What is the number whose 6 whole 1/4% is 2? Okay, so our question is, what is the number, what is that number whose 6 whole 1/4% is 2? We don't know that number, so what we will do, we will suppose that number. Okay, let the number be x. So according to question, what is the condition given to us? According to the question, okay, 6 whole 1/4% of that number must be equal to 2. Okay, so what is the number whose 6 whole 1/4% is 2? So I have taken that number as x. So 6 whole 1/4% of x is equal to 2. So mathematically we can write this. Okay, so let's solve it. It is in your mixed fraction. Please change it into improper fraction. So this 2 will be multiplied. 4 6 are 24, and this will be added plus 1. How much? 25. 25 upon 4, and this percent is your per 100. Percent meaning is a per 100. So into 1/100 I have written. I can write here also, but it is already in fraction. If I write, there will be some confusion. Okay, so the meaning of percentage I have written here. Okay, per 100. Of means into x is equal to 2. Okay, so now let's do a cancellation here. 25 ones are 25 fours are. Okay, so here we got x upon 4 into 4, that is a 16 is equal to 2. So x is equal to this 2 will be multiplied. 16 into 2 I am writing directly 32. Okay, so what is that number? That number is 32. If you find, okay, 6 whole 1/4% of 32, you will get your answer 2. Okay, isn't it very easy? But here the thing you have to consider is you have to suppose that number. Okay, I have supposed that number as x. So 6 whole 1/4% of x is 2. Please solve it. You will get your answer. While solving it, these things you have to consider. These two will be multiplied first. Okay, 4 into 6. Okay, 24 plus 1, 25 upon 4. Percent meaning is a 1/100. That is your per 100. Into of means into x, as it is cancelled, transfer to right hand side, you will get your answer. Okay, so I hope you all can do up to now question number 11. Up to question number 11 you can easily do. Okay, but while making a fraction, okay, please see their units. They must be in the same unit. Okay, while you need to convert into percentage, they must be into same unit. Okay, so in this way you can complete exercise 5C up to question number 11. Okay, other question also if you try you can do. Okay, but that will continue our next class. So everyone, thank you for today's class. Please stay home, be safe. Thank you everyone.